To connect a Phantom wallet to Axiom, you'll need to start by creating an Axiom account. Once your account is set up, go to the Phantom website and download the Phantom Wallet extension for Chrome. Click Add to Chrome, and then confirm by clicking Add Extension again. After the extension is added, click on the Phantom Wallet icon and sign in or create a new wallet, which only takes a few seconds. Next, go to your Axiom wallet and you'll have two options for connecting your Phantom wallet. The first option is to click on Wallets and then the plus icon, which will give you a deposit address. Open your Phantom wallet, click Send, select Solana, and paste in the recipient's Solana address. You can copy this address from Axiom and paste it into the Phantom wallet. Then enter the amount you want to transfer. Alternatively, you can connect the Phantom wallet directly to Axiom by going to your profile icon, clicking Account and Security, and then Manage Wallets. Click Add New Wallet and enter the private key from your Phantom wallet, which you should have received when you created it. Be sure to keep this private key secure and don't share it with anyone. Once you've added the private key, click Add Wallet and your Phantom wallet will be connected to Axiom.